Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Jamal and today I want to share a Power BI dashboard report that I've created which focuses on the recruitment of students within higher education. This particular client works in partnership with educational establishments all around the world, and they have student intakes multiple times a year, not just August. But before we dive into the dashboard, I want to quickly and briefly give you a background of the dashboard and the challenges that we faced. This dashboard was commissioned to address challenges that the higher education was facing when it comes to student recruitment. We wanted the dashboard to provide actionable insights that optimize recruitment strategies, improve conversion rates, and enhance overall yield. One of the key challenges that we faced is dealing with large number of poor quality applications, and this was impacting the conversion rates. With the findings from our dashboard, the executive committee decided to sign off a low application handling fee for specific programs. This decision alone improved conversion rates immediately and at the same time attracted a higher caliber of applicants. We also identified there was over 13,000 unsubmitted applications through the dashboard, and this highlighted the need for improvement. Consequently, the executive committee approved a comprehensive review of the application form to address this issue, resulting in improved submission rates and a higher caliber of qualified applicants. An additional benefit of the recruitment analysis dashboard is that it has been made available to partner organizations, solidifying trust through transparency. By sharing the dashboard with trusted partners, collaboration and strategic decision making can be enhanced, leading to mutually beneficial outcomes. The dashboard flagged up unexpected, unusual conversion rates on newly launched programs. This prompted a special meeting with program directors, leading to a major review of multiple programs. As a result, it was agreed by the leadership that all conversion-related analysis and activities would require the marketing team to be involved, and this would have dedicated plans for insight-based marketing campaigns. Another impact from the dashboard is the fact that there was a lack of coverage of recruitment data at the executive committee level. With the implementation of the dashboard, the executive committee gained valuable insights that were previously unavailable. This newfound visibility into the recruitment data enabled informed decision-making at the highest level, leading to more effective recruitment strategies. The most important area of the dashboard is the top left-hand corner, and the least important area of the dashboard is the bottom right-hand corner. This is because we read from left to right, top to bottom, so we know the top left is where the eyes of the user will go to, and as a result, the orientation, the position and the placement of the visual is the most powerful and effective visual variable. For this reason, all the key metrics and KPIs have been placed at the top, and the placement is based on how important it is. The headline stats on the left are showing the percentage year-on-year change, whilst on the right-hand side, the stats are showing the conversion rate for the specific year. Both stats have been conditionally formatted to change color based on whether the percentage change has gone up or down over the 2 years. The first chart on the left hand side shows a running total of student applications, offers and registration for each month. This chart can quickly show the performance of each step of the recruitment when comparing each of the lines, and the point of this visual is to encourage curiosity. The two charts on the middle of the page is there to show the best and the worst performing courses based on the number of registrations, and I have used a bar chart to show this. It is more difficult to estimate the value of an object based on the size or the volume of the shape. Bar charts are better because we underestimate shapes when they are larger in terms of ratio, and we are better at guessing lengths rather than shapes. I have also added to show the difference between both years, so the user does not have to calculate this in their mind. We must consider the level of effort required to decode and understand a visual, as readers have a finite amount of brain power. To be successful, the designer should aim to make the visualization less effort to decode and use the brain power to understand instead. For example, I have used green to represent growth and red to show decline. The bottom left chart is showing the top 6 ranked countries with the highest number of registrations. It's showing the count, the percentage year-on-year difference with conditional formatting, and finally percentage total share. The blue strip on the right hand side shows the registrations divided by a dynamic world map, a country banding bar chart, and gender demographics. The world map is quite cool when it spins around. The color levels or color saturation chosen here is a good choice because our minds are attuned to building an order and connection between the colors due to its similarities. The darker colored countries have a higher volume of registration than the lighter shaded countries. In this chart here, since the categories are in different bandings, the hue color option is ideal here. The data has been manipulated for confidential reasons. However, the source of the original data is from SIT's database, and all the information was extracted via an SQL query. The query has been normalized to ensure minimal changes are made on Power Query, which will ultimately increase performance. We follow best practice in which we try and make adjustments as far upstream as possible. Firstly, I would recommend integrating marketing campaign data into the dashboard analysis. By comparing recruitment data with marketing campaigns, we can identify any correlations or spikes in application numbers. This analysis will provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of different marketing strategies, allowing for more targeted and impactful recruitment campaigns. Additionally, expanding the dashboard's capabilities to include predictive modeling would be a valuable next step. By leveraging historical recruitment data and other relevant variables, we can forecast future enrollment numbers and identify potential challenges or opportunities in advance. Another improvement I would make is to enhance the dashboard's real-time data integration. By connecting the dashboard to live data sources, organizations can have up-to-date insights and make timely decisions. This will help track recruitment performance in real time, identify trends as they emerge, and allow for swift adjustments to recruitment strategies if necessary. Thank you for joining me today to explore the impact of data-driven recruitment analysis. If you have any questions or would like me to be involved in any of your projects within your organization, please feel free to get in touch with me. Thanks for watching my video and stay tuned for more.